Oh shit, that's a nice ass chain,
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Hey, where you get this? Oh, this the Dragon, huh?
That's what I'm saying.
Where you get that
listening
from?
to, bro. This from Aporro, bro.
Aporro?
I see your drip too.
Yeah, you see, I'm from, yeah.
Bro, that shit nice. No cap, bro. That's you.
What's good, man? It's your boy Lou.
What's cracking, lacking, you guys? It's your boy Lou.
And you know we're back with another banger video, man. And today we're reacting to
BTS on stage prologue, you guys. You feel me? I know you guys really wanted this reaction.
100%, man. But
Gonna make it happen, though.
But
before anything, though,
facts.
we gotta give a big
Shout out
to Aporro for sponsoring this video.
Man, 100%, man. They have one of the best jewelry out there right now. You
Honestly,
know what I'm
bro.
saying? And they sent us this stuff in the mail, and it's actually pretty cool. It's quality. It's quality jewelry. You know what I'm saying? And it's affordable. All you have to do is just scroll down just a little bit and hit that link in the description. Make sure you copy some heat. Cause I'm trying to tell you, this shit flying.
Send us a screenshot of the ones that you guys want.
Facts.
And let us know what's good. We gonna tell you guys if it's nice or not.
Facts.
We gonna tell you guys. We gonna keep it lit with you guys.
100%.
I'm gonna tell you guys right now. Aporro is part of the popcorn family, bro.
At this point, 100%.
They
man.
really love our content and they really love you guys. They really love us. So we gotta show love too, guys.
Facts, man.
Swipe down
make
a little bit.
Exactly. Hit that link and show love to them.
Let's get it cracking.
So without further ado, man, we gonna get this video cracking. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it.